Hello, in this video I demonstrate a new knit that is embossed and has a light openwork design that consists of 4 loops and 4 rows. The decreases and increases give it its lovely texture. We will make decreases, 1 from 3, on the wrong side. The increases with long loops we will make on the right side. In the sample, the number of loops is a multiple of 4 plus 1 for symmetry plus 2 on the edges. We start from the wrong side. Row 1 wrong side, in this row, we will make decreases. At the beginning of the row decrease 1 loop from 2, knit 2 together with a slant to the left. The repeat pattern is purl 1 loop, and make a centered decrease of 2 loops from 3. Slip the first, knit the second and third together, and cast the first over them. Again, purl 1, and decrease 2 loops from 3. Again, purl 1, and decrease 2 loops from 3. Knit in this manner until the row is complete. At the end of the row purl 1 and decrease 1 loop from 2, knit 2 together with a slant to the right. Row 2 right side, the repeat pattern is purl 1, pull up a long loop 2 rows down, knit 1, pull up a long loop 2 rows down. Again, purl 1, pull up a loop 2 rows down, knit 1, pull up a loop 2 rows down. Knit in this manner until the row is complete. Row 3 wrong side, the repeat pattern is knit 1, slip 1 with yarn in front, purl 1, slip 1, knit 1, slip 1 with yarn in front, purl 1, slip 1. Knit in this manner until the row is complete. Row 4 right side, the repeat pattern is purl 1, from the bottom row, knit 3. Purl 1, from the bottom row, knit 3. Knit in this manner until the row is complete. This new unique knit with a rich texture and lovely relief is an ideal choice for both summer and winter. It looks beautiful with both thin and thick yarn. I highly recommend it. I appreciate you all being here. Click the like button if you enjoy the video. Subscribe to the channel and notifications to watch all of my videos. I wish you inspiration. Knit joyfully and with affection. See you soon.